All right, mate. FXS. I was trying to think of another pattern. You know, that played out like this. This is a strong pattern. I mean, what it is it's a downtrend breakout of a large base with the formation of moving averages and compression pattern all in one, and then it gets the explosive pattern. I know you mentioned that there was that guy on Twitter. I don't know his name, Luna guy, was it, or whatever? I don't know who it is, but I remember you talking about some guy was talking about this or something or whatever. But I mean, to me, it's just really the pattern. I mean, the roll up above the down sloping trend line after the large base and the rounding bottom, the flat bottom base breakup. I mean, it has everything here that you would really want to see in a breakout. Now, very impressive. The strength off here is very impressive. Now, very nice breakup. Like, can it continue here and continue that breakup? Honestly, I'm not really sure. I don't really like buying here, especially after it's moved. What's that? 17 to 30, 150% or whatever that is. Let's just give it a quick measurement. Not even from the very lows, but yeah, 144, probably 150%. Not that that's a huge move or anything. You know, if this is flipping red here today, you want to be careful in case it stays red and continues to drop. If it starts flipping green again, okay, well then you could get interested. I'm not sure if you're already in this or not, but you know, you don't want to be buying here when this is just flip red. What if we are going to get a red 3-day candle? What if we are going to get a red weekly candle dipping back down? It is a new week. 2 week, beautiful. You know, very strong pattern. You know, you have to think that this has got good potential on a new 2 week candle to do something like this. Is it going to do it this week? Well, if it is going to do it this week, it needs to flip green to start with. It probably needs to wick down, come back up and flip green and then move. So I wouldn't be buying this yet, but what I would do and what I will do right now is set an alarm up here above the highs of the day, or just above the open. So if it flips green, you are alerted. That's what I would do. I would wait, but on a new 2 week candle, I think this has got a better chance of moving up. Just like, I mean, you can see here, here's a miniature version of the pattern in a way. We drop down, you're kind of barting back up, you know, in a U-shape barting back up, and then the second green candle then barts you right back up through resistance. Like, the resistance point was kind of right here, and we have something similar here where we are sitting at this resistance point. If we can open up here on a new 2 week, there's a decent chance this could continue. So if there is not much movement, I definitely would be still watching this on a new 2 week. But again, you know, I might be miscalculating that. Maybe it's this week. Is it going to continue to run? Zill did it. Zill just went parabolic. You know, maybe this could as well. It's really hard to tell if some of these are going to continue to go parabolic. The other thing I will say is, you know, you have the large volume here. At some point it's saying it wants to go above here, at least somewhere above there. Even when you got this large volume, at that time that was the largest volume in its history. You know, eventually it did bounce back up, and that's still probably a decent gain, you'd have to say, from there to, you know, there's a 30-40% dip, sorry, a bounce. If there is a dip here, you can still trade that to bounce back up above here for a 20-30-40% trade. Now when you look at this monthly chart, you know, it looks very powerful. It really does look very powerful. It looks like it wants to do something like this.